Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be discussing Epilinks Vegan Liquid Eyeliner. What's great about this product and all their other products is that it is vegan, it is gluten-free, and is 100% organic material. There are 5 colors total. Today I'll be using the black one, and what's great about this is the precision tip that it has. It makes for really easy application. It is also actually waterproof as well, so it will last you all day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this black, put it on, and I'll show you guys how it looks. What's great about this product and all of their other products, it's made for people who have skin conditions. And it's 100% organic, vegan, and it definitely doesn't flare up or make your eyes water or anything like that. Wow, you guys, that was super easy. I really enjoy the precision tip on the Epilinks Liquid Eyeliner. If you guys can see, it is a thin and a thick type of tip, so you can go with a thick dramatic line or a thin line that you can use every day. What I really enjoy about this product is that it is 100% organic, it is gluten-free, and it is vegan. It is also great for anybody who has any autoimmune skin conditions. You're not gonna have any sort of reactions from these products. I think you guys should go check out all the other colors. We have 5 in total. I did use the black today. If you guys wanna go to epilinkscosmetics.com, check it out and get yours today. Thanks, I'll see you guys next time. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be discussing